The TP-Link EAP660 HD Access Point is engineered with cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring ultra-fast internet speeds that can reach up to 3,550 megabits per second. It excels in high-density environments, thanks to features like OFDMA and MU-MIMO, which significantly enhance network capacity and allow more devices to connect simultaneously. Equipped with a 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet port, this access point offers exceptional multi-gigabit performance, making installation both flexible and convenient with its PoE Plus support. The EAP660 HD is seamlessly integrated into the Omada SDN, offering multiple control options including hardware, software, and cloud-based controllers, which enhances network management capabilities. With remote cloud access facilitated through the Omada app, users can centrally manage their entire network from any location, providing unmatched convenience and control. Supported by a limited lifetime warranty and round-the-clock technical support, the EAP60 HD promises reliability and peace of mind for users.